Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Something really easy that anybody could do in practice. And I'm going to take it maybe a next step in the next. So we're going to turn this into this. And we're actually going to use a little bit of math and make it life a little bit easier. I am going to take an ellipse. Let me zoom in here. I'm going to take an ellipse. I was playing with that earlier. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make an even number like 12. I'm going to control D, and I'm going to make the second copy half that size and make it 6. I'm going to select both these. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend just 3 times. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, start moving and hold down the control button and hit P. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate that guy 90 degrees. This is all I need. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill in those 2 sections, and you could do more. I'm going to nudge them out of the way, and I'm going to delete this. And now I'm going to nudge this back. Now we are going to control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the control button and use this 2-sided arrow, we're going to flip it. Now, because we used math, this is 2.25 inches apart that we need to move. So we're going to change the color. I'm going to make different colors this time. That might not look so good. There we go. Still not going to look good, but it'll show it off. So we need to move this to here, but it's a little bit movement and awkwardness. And if you will take your parallel dimension tool, we need to put this point on that point, 2.25 inches, because we used some, a math product. We're going to get a better ratio. I'm going to nudge it over. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button and move it down. Now, you need to take it and mirror it horizontally. Our nudge factor is still set on 2.5 or 2.25. And there you have it. We're going to add a black background to make it kind of stand out. Go to Object, Order, back a page. That looks pretty cool. I think later today, maybe I might even make it more intersect. It's kind of intersected in a way, but make some layers go between the other layers and how we could do that and maybe add some shadow. But that's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.